What's going on, CMO Piss Family? It's your boy Dad back with another video, and today I just really wanted to come on here and I wanted to provide a video for all of my traders out here that's trading. I want to tell y'all, the best trusted broker to go ahead and start with trading. So before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, because you never want to miss a lit video by the CMO Pitts family. Why would you want to miss a lit video? All of us want to become better traders on here. This is what my channel is all about. Just help other people, get to the bag with trading, because a lot of people think that trading doesn't work, but it really does. You can actually, change your whole entire situation with trading. I've been trading for about 2 years now, so I want to give y'all the best knowledge as possible. That way y'all can go ahead and make some money as easy as possible. So cool. So I'm gonna say the best broker, to go ahead and start trading with, it's not Hugo's Way, it's not KOT, it's not, Osprey, Osprey. Those brokers are actually good. But the best broker that I recommend everybody to go ahead and start trading on is I recommend Eagle FX. And why do I recommend this broker? So understand, most of these brokers out here that's that you're trading on, like Hugo's, KOT, FX Choice, things like that, their job is to, make sure you lose money. Understand that they get paid off of you losing money. So understand, there's going to be two parts of a candlestick. There's going to be a wick and there's going to be a body. So understand, those wick outs, that you see within those brokers, that's the broker, actually knowing, if I get in a trade right now, they're going to be able to see my stop loss. Understand that. So, their job is, to wick you out and then let the trade go your way. So now what we want to do is we want to get the smallest wicks as possible. With this broker, I don't have, major wick outs, things like that. Another thing, a lot of us are trading with small capital. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are trading with small capital. This broker, it doesn't charge a lot for commissions. The commissions and swap fees, they're not too big. They're not too big, once if you want to be a swing trader, you're holding these trades for days and days and days, they're not going to charge you a lot for it. And then another thing that I like about this broker is, if you're trading on these other brokers, they're paying a little payout for cryptos, but you're supposed to, get like 10 cents per pip on a 1 cent lot size, a minimum, small lot size. What they're going to give you on this broker is 10 cents per pip on that small lot size. So, if you make 3,000 pips on Bitcoin, you're going to get paid $300. You make 10,000 pips, you're going to get paid $1,000. Whereas to a lot of other brokers, the spreads are high, so you're going to be very, very negative once you get into the trade. But with this broker, you're going to get paid the right amount per pip. And a lot of other brokers, you catch 1,000 pips on cryptos, you may get $10 off of it, instead of that 100. So that's why I like this broker a lot. And then with withdrawals, I've tried different brokers over my my months of trading. I've been trading 2 years. I've started to get a lot of bigger withdrawals, $5,000-$10,000 withdrawals. So it usually took a lot of time with these other brokers. I've withdrawn a lot. I've had withdrawals being held 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even a month before. On one broker I didn't even get my money. So I had a lot of experience within it. So with this broker, I've withdrawn over $10,000, and when I did that $10,000 withdrawal, I actually got it in 2 days. Within 2 days. It wasn't weeks, days, nothing like that. Too crazy. So, so that's why I definitely recommend this broker, because, the broker actually is very, very good. When I try to log in, I have no problems, with fraud. I don't have any problems with that. So I definitely recommend this broker. If you want to get with this broker, understand, you're going to see in my description, the link to this broker is going to be down in my description. So you can go ahead and sign up with it. The minimum deposit is about $10, I believe. I believe the minimum deposit is $10. With a lot of other brokers, maybe $50. But with this broker, it's $10, minimum deposit with this. And then you're going to get that 500 leverage. So I'm going to talk about the leverage. So when you're trading with small accounts and you don't have that 500 leverage, it's going to be very, very hard for you to make money. A lot of times you won't even, because there's a charge that you get on your free margin when you get into a trade. So if you don't have that 500 leverage, it's going to be very, very hard for you to even get into trades, So if you don't have that 500 leverage, that means you can't leverage a certain amount of your account. So if you're depositing $10, you're going to be able to get into a currency pair. But if you didn't have 500 leverage, you wouldn't be able to get into a certain currency pair. So that's going to be very, very important because you want to actually make some money. You know, you don't want to get a couple cent, you know, maybe we want a few dollars. So, you know, that leverage is going to be very, very important when you're trading with these brokers. So understand that's going to be important. But another thing, you know, definitely, like I said, another thing that's going to be very, very important with this is you can actually trade things like Dogecoin on this broker. So Dogecoin, whatever you want to call it, you know, that is able to be traded on this MetaTrader 4 app with this broker. So, you know, that's going to be a very, very, you know, extra thing that you can trade. You know, if you like Dogecoin, you don't have those crypto wallets, you can trade it on this broker if you get the MetaTrader 4 app. And understand that the MetaTrader 4 app is free. You don't have to pay for anything to get the MetaTrader 4 app to start trading. So I'm gonna leave the description to the link to this broker in the description. All you have to do is click on that link, link, and then I'm stuttering. Go ahead and click on that link in my description, and you're going to be able to sign up with this broker, and you're going to be able to fund up, you know, just like other brokers on Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin is what I use. Obviously, that's, you know, the most popular thing to use. So you're going to be able to fund up with Bitcoin, minimum $10. You know, so go ahead and hit that link in the description. Go ahead and sign up with this broker. You're going to make a lot of money as long as you know what you're doing within the market. Broker is not going to manipulate you. So go ahead.